Get ready and fasten your seatbelt. This course will take your image analysis to the next level. We'll begin with a step-by-step guide to install all the required open-source software on your computer. You'll customize a Fiji installation to integrate key machine learning tools, transforming it into a central hub for your image processing and analysis workflow.
Next, you'll learn how to properly set up a pixel classification pipeline. You'll explore how to assess and refine the classification results. For a deeper understanding, you'll perform a complete analysis and see measurement options available in Fiji for working with pixel classification outputs, enabling you to conduct a complete analysis with confidence.
After that, we'll apply what you've learned to a different example. You'll discover the limitations of pixel classification and how to overcome them by integrating deep learning-based object detection. Finally, you'll combine both approaches into a fully automated pipeline using simple ImageJ macros for batch processing multiple images and saving all output data.
You'll also learn to use a user interface-based application to run pre-trained deep learning models for cell and object detection while fine-tuning parameters to improve results. In the next phase, you'll train your own models using an iterative human-in-the-loop process, no programming skills required. You'll gain insight into the key parameters that influence model training and learn how to optimize your segmentation outcomes.
Additionally, you'll receive exclusive Fiji plugins, available only through this course, that simplify the automation of running your custom-trained deep learning models in batch mode directly from within Fiji, without switching between tools. Later in the course, we'll combine deep learning-powered cell detection in multi-channel images with previously established object classification procedures to build a complete analysis pipeline from raw image pixels to detailed object-level patterns.
We'll also cover quality control techniques to evaluate how well your segmentation results align with ground truth data. This includes both visual assessments and quantitative metrics. In the first of two bonus sections, you'll be introduced to key considerations for 3D volumetric image segmentation. You'll learn how to avoid introducing artifacts into your analysis and how to achieve 3D segmentation using 3 different software tools, ranging from traditional methods to deep learning-based approaches.
In the second bonus section, you'll learn how to connect all the machine learning tools explored in the course with object tracking in Fiji. You'll examine various options, understand their advantages, and be aware of potential pitfalls.
Enroll in the From Pixels to Patterns course now and learn the fundamentals you need to apply state-of-the-art machine learning tools. Overcome challenges in your microscopic image analysis and boost your results to the next level.